मेरा birthday 5th Jan. One thing I really can't do without food. Fashion fetish for me would be shoes. Dislikes. What do I dislike?
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू लेट्स टॉक दिवाली स्पेशल। मैं हूं सुप्रीम। आज हमारे साथ है वो हसीना जिनकी आंखों में अजब सी अदाएं हैं। अ डिम्पल स्माइल कैन श्योरली लाइट अप अ रूम। मैं बात कर रही हूं द गॉर्जियस दीपिका पादुकोणे की। हाय दीपिका, वेलकम टू लेट्स टॉक दिवाली स्पेशल। और दिवाली अपने आप में ही बहुत ही खुशियों भरा त्यौहार है, मगर इस दिवाली आपकी खुशियां होने वाली हैं डबल, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आपकी फर्स्ट फिल्म ओम शांति ओम रिलीज हो रही है। कैसा लग रहा है आप?
Well, जैसे आपने कहा, it's going to be one of the most exciting Diwalis for me. You know, to have your movie release on the same day as Diwali, I think that's coincidence, and really looking forward to the release.
वैसे नॉर्मली कैसे दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करती हैं आप?
Well, normally it's generally for me a very quiet Diwali. It's about spending time with family and meeting up with friends and family that I haven't met for a long time. But this time is going to be special.
इस बार क्या अलग होने वाला है? Is it just a lot of dard disco and all of that stuff?
It's going to be only disco.
Only disco. Okay, good stuff. Well, जो आप इस मूवी में जो किरदार प्ले कर रही हैं वो एक सुपरस्टार का है जिसका नाम है शांति। Obviously that explains the name of the movie. क्या रोल के बारे में अपना कुछ और बताइए? What's the role about?
Well, basically it's a film that's inspired from the 70s, where I play a superstar and Shah Rukh is a junior artist. And it was quite exciting to play this because I keep teasing him that in reality it's always the other way around. And for once, I'm sure he's doing what most of his fans do to him. But it was nice, and it didn't feel odd playing something like that because I think he was so comfortable playing his character that everything else fell into place.
इस कैरेक्टर में कहीं हिमा जी की झलक है? Because of the dream girl reference.
But let me say again that it's not, we're not trying to copy the 70s, we're not trying to copy any of the legends, it's only an inspiration.
SRK के साथ काम करना, obviously the lead role is anyone's dream role. So how was it working with him?
Very honestly, I don't think I could have asked for a better launch. I've got to learn a lot from him and from Farah and from Arjun and Shreyas, who've also been who I got to interact with. I've really got to learn a lot from all of them, and that's why I say it's the perfect launch because they're all so experienced and talented.
कुछ खास टिप्स मिली आपको SRK से?
A lot.
Yeah. Something that King Khan से अगर टिप्स मिले तो हो सकता है आप कल की क्वीन भी बन जाए. So something he's told you?
Well, there are a lot of tips that he's given me, and a lot of other people have given me, but I wouldn't want to share that.
She's being selfish now, huh? That's good to go. इस मूवी की डायरेक्टर है फराह खान, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत ही लाइट हार्टेड मैं हूं ना दी है, बट हमने सुना है she's a very strict director. तो आपके साथ कुछ?
बिल्कुल नहीं, ये आपका इन्फॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल गलत है, और she's a lot of fun to work with. बहुत ही रिलैक्स्ड है सेट पे, और मे बी बिकॉज इट्स हर ओन फिल्म, शायद वो खुद डायरेक्ट कर रही थी इसलिए, लेकिन उनके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया, एंड मोर बिकॉज शी इज़ अ फीमेल डायरेक्टर, तो उनके साथ इंटरेक्ट करना काफ़ी आसान हो गया.
So it was not one of those कि whip निकाली और बोला
बिल्कुल नहीं,
नाचो दीपिका.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay, SRK की obviously with one Khan helping you out and फराह खान, फिर भी नर्वसनेस होती है. आपका day one कैसा था?
Day one, I wasn't as nervous as I thought I would be क्योंकि Farah had already introduced me to Shah Rukh in advance, तो उस हिसाब से मैं काफ़ी रिलैक्स थी, और फिर से मैं क्रेडिट Farah और शाहरुख को देती हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कंफर्टेबल किया सेट पे, एंड दे मेड मी फील एट होम.
जनरली कहा जाता है कि शाहरुख की फिल्म्स में हीरोइंस का कोई स्कोप नहीं होता. आपको कैसा लगा? What do you think about this? You think you've got good weightage?
Definitely. There's absolutely no doubt about that. I think Shah Rukh is a secure enough actor. So you'll see when you see the film.
You're already in the limelight. एक और बात हुई है जो इतनी मीडिया हाइप की वजह से है. You're already a superstar. So do you think there's that kind of pressure or expectation?
Not at all. I don't think I'm a star. I believe that I'm a newcomer. I believe that I've just started off and I have a long way to go.
थोड़ा pressure हो रहा है, थोड़ा पड़ रहा है ऊपर से pressure that wow, people are really expecting a lot of me. कि पहले से ही it's दीपिका everywhere. It may be because of the big banner, but also you bring a lot of qualities. ऐसा बहुत कुछ है जो सिर्फ दीपिका में देखने को मिल रहा है. Fresh face है, your eyes obviously are talked about, dimple smile, you know, just everything.
Very honestly, I'm more excited than nervous about the expectation because very honestly, I've enjoyed being a part of this project and I've enjoyed the whole process. And I think that is the most important thing in whatever you do.
अच्छा, इस मूवी में मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या रहे हैं? बहुत से होंगे क्योंकि पहली मूवी है, फिर भी कुछ खास जो आप शेयर करना चाहें हमारे साथ.
Well, for me, the most memorable would be एक गाने में there's a song where I romance Shahrukh.
Wasn't that a bit odd?
So no, I don't know if it was odd for him, but I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I didn't want that moment to end because I've always seen him romance other heroines, and I.
तो छोटे होते से शायद ये ख्वाहिश थी कि एक दिन शाहरुख मुझे भी ऑन स्क्रीन.
जी नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि मैं एक्ट्रेस बनूंगी और वो भी शाहरुख खान के साथ डेब्यू करूंगी, लेकिन मुझे ये मौका मिला एंड आई गेस आई एम लकी.
You sure are lucky star. दीपिका, आपने शुरुआत की अपने इस करियर की मॉडलिंग से एंड नाउ फिल्म्स. ये जर्नी कैसी रही है आपके लिए?
मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग जर्नी रहा है. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी. मैंने हमेशा ये तय किया था कि मैं शायद मॉडलिंग करूंगी, बट आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ एक्टिंग. और 2 साल आफ्टर 2 years ऑफ मॉडलिंग, फारा ने मुझे ओम शांति ओम की शी ऑफर्ड मी दैट. सो आई थिंक डेस्टिनी, आई गेस.
किसने आपको स्पॉट किया था? वी हर्ड शाहरुख ने आपको रैंप पे देखा था. Was it Farah who spotted you then, or was it them being together?
I think both of them together because 2 years of modeling, I think I did quite a few commercials and शायद उन्होंने मुझे वहाँ पे spot किया. So I guess it was a joint decision.
मॉडलिंग की बात करें और टिप्स देने की बात करें तो शाहरुख को भी हमने सुना है कि आपने टिप्स दी हैं उनको रैंप पर चलने की. वेरी रिसेंटली देयर वाज अ फैशन शो. तो क्या टिप्स दिए आपने शाहरुख को?
I think he's so experienced and he's such a good actor that anything that he does looks good. And he's so confident about himself that anything he does looks good. So I really didn't have to give him any tips.
Well, दीपिका, ये तो थी फिल्म्स की बात, बट ये बताइए कि आपने मॉडलिंग में शुरुआत कैसे की? ऑब्वियसली आप जिस बैकग्राउंड से आती हैं, योर फादर इज़ अ बैडमिंटन चैम्पियन, तो कहीं पे दैट करियर स्विंग जो ट्रांजिशन हुआ उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी?
कभी नहीं. एक्चुअली मैं नेशनल लेवल बैडमिंटन आई प्लेड फॉर अबाउट 2 years. लेकिन उसके बाद जब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हूँ, माई पेरेंट्स वर नॉट सरप्राइज्ड बाय इट बिकॉज आई थिंक समवेयर डाउन द लाइन दे ऑलवेज न्यू दैट आई वाज गोना गेट इनटू द मॉडलिंग फील्ड. येस, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि मैं एक्टर बनूंगी, लेकिन they've always been very supportive of whichever career I would have chosen. They would have supported me.
फिर से ओम शांति ओम की बात करते हैं. सेट्स में कितनी मस्ती हुई, कितना काम हुआ?
एक्चुअली मोर देन मस्ती, मेरे ख्याल से फारा और शाहरुख को शायद लगा कि ये नई लड़की है, तो लेट्स नॉट प्ले एनी प्रैंक्स ऑन हर, मे बी शील स्टार्ट क्राइंग. So there weren't too many pranks played with me, but yes, I did get to spend a lot of quality time with all of them, which I enjoyed a lot because I got to learn a lot from whether it was Arjun, Shreyas, Farah, from Manish and who did my costumes, and Bharat and Doris who have also done a fantastic job. It was nice interacting with all these people.
Big banner, big stars, everybody around you was way too big. Obviously मॉडलिंग से आप भी उतना ही बड़ा नाम रखती हैं, बट कहीं पे कुछ ऐसा लगता था अपने आप में थोड़ी सी सेल्फ डाउट या?
Never. Even if I had any doubt, I always had all the seniors to reassure me of everything, and that's the reason why I say I don't think I could have asked for a better launch because they've given me so much confidence and self-belief that it's really kept me going.
मूवी में आपका फेवरेट सीन कौन सा है, या particularly you're fond of a song?
I was saying there's a song where I get to romance Shahrukh.
You really like that
And
one?
yeah, fully. I keep saying that. I keep going back to that one because for me every scene is special, every moment is special. But for me, Shahrukh is the typical romantic hero, and that's how I've seen him in all his other films while I was growing up. And I always seen him romance all the other heroines, and now it is my turn. So I'm very happy about that.
इतनी छोटी सी उम्र में आपने बहुत कुछ किया है अपने करियर के साथ, तो उसके साथ क्या लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी बढ़ती हैं?
Well, I am 21. ये सच बात है, लेकिन but I don't think that I've achieved anything. I believe that ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है और बहुत कुछ काम बाकी है.
दीपिका, we're going to get to know you better now. तो ये बताइए कि दीपिका की ज़िंदगी में टिपिकल डे कैसा होता है?
A typical day for me would be to wake up in the morning, go for shoot, come back, for me, the most exciting bit is being on shoot, getting makeup and hair and getting ready. Whether it's for a film or whether it's a photo shoot, I enjoy being in front of the camera. And after shoot, I prefer relaxing with coming home, relaxing, maybe probably being alone or spending time with friends and family.
ऑन स्क्रीन तो आपका बहुत ही ग्लैमरस अवतार देखा है हमने, इवन एज अ मॉडल, लेकिन जो आपका पर्सनल स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट है वो क्या है?
Personally, you'll always see me dressed very casually, whether it's a pair of trousers and a simple top or just kurtas and jeans. I just prefer being, because we are so dressed up all the time,
Something
I just prefer
different.
being simple.
ओके, आप क्या सोचती है कि आपका बेस्ट एसेट क्या है?
That you should tell me.
मैंने तो उसके बारे में बहुत तारीफ कर दी, आपको भी पता होगा ये. What is it that you think is Deepika? Is it the eyes?
Well, I would say my eyes, yet at the same time, I think it works negatively for me also.
Oh, why is that?
Because my eyes are very expressive, I'm told.
So if you don't like somebody, it's just
It
a very
shows.
dead look saying
Yeah,
hello.
yeah, right.
I hope that wasn't with me. Okay. Deepika, आपकी all time favorite film कौन सी है?
कुछ होता है.
Again a Shah Rukh fan, huh? No wonder, because he was romancing two girls, that's
Yes.
why. Now she's the only one right now. अच्छा, अब हम खेलने जा रहे हैं गेम जिसका नाम है Rapid Fire. So I give you a word. It's a very quick game. Association जो आपके दिमाग में पहली आती है, आप वो बोलेंगे.
I'm very bad at this, but anyway. we'll
That's
try.
all right. It's a very quick one, very simple.
Okay.
We ready?
Yeah.
Okay. SRK.
Heartthrob.
Om Shanti Om.
My love forever.
Love.
Om Shanti Om.
Ramp.
Where I started off from.
Badminton.
My passion.
That's good stuff. It's very well done. See, that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, good. Deepika, the price of fame जो सबको पे करना पड़ता है वो होती है controversies. अभी आपकी मूवी रिलीज नहीं हुई and people really like talking about you. How do you deal with that?
I think it's something that is a part of the profession that I've chosen to be in, and I think I'm quite prepared to handle that.
Yeah, but how do you demark that personal life और professional life को कोई कैसे अलग करे? For example, जो recent आपके link-ups की बातें चल रही हैं, cricket world के साथ आपको जोड़ा जा रहा है. It's really hilarious. One day it's Dhoni, the other day it's Yuvraj. I mean, you know, even we can't make sense of it.
I was telling Arjun yesterday, I said, Arjun, why can't they link me up with you for once? But
She's already asking for a link-up.
yeah, I mean the genuine ones, yeah. Like I have this huge crush on Arjun Rampal. I've always had a huge crush on him, but I think it's okay. I think it's a part, like I said, it's a part of the industry that I've chosen to be in, and it's okay.
Yeah, that's good. See, that's a positive way of dealing with it. और हमने सुना है कि आप एक यश राज फिल्म भी साइन कर रही हैं रणबीर कपूर के साथ. Is that true or is it just a gossip?
No, there's nothing finalized yet.
Okay. Talks.
Yeah, right now all my energies and focus is on Om Shanti Om.
Really, really, really hope this does wonders for you कि आपकी दिवाली ओम शांति ओम के सक्सेस के साथ और भी अच्छी बन जाए.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming on the Diwali special
Thank you.
episode. Thanks. We have a little present for you though. There you go. That's from everybody. हमारे सारे viewers, सारी team, Let's Talk and Zoom.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Deepika, thank you for being with
My
us so
pleasure.
much. We'll see you sometime very soon. Till then, keep watching Zoom. इसको देखो.